Hello students. Next category, special operators. The C language supports some special operators such as unary minus operator, comma operator, size of operator, pointer operators and member selection operators. Now these are all individual operators and they are used for different purposes. At this stage, we consider unary minus, comma and size of operators. Later, in other concepts, pointers and structures, we discuss pointer and member selection operators. First one, unary minus operator. Unary minus operator changes the sign of the given operand. That means the signature is changed with the help of minus operator. Positive signature is changed as negative and negative signature is changed as positive. Observe this example, plus 10. So when we apply minus operator, now it becomes minus 10. Minus 456. When we applied minus operator, minus minus becomes plus, hence this one plus 456. So this one unary minus operator. Next one, comma operator. Comma operator is used to separate one operand from other operand. So for separation purpose, we use comma operator. Let this example, int x comma y comma z. X, y and z are different identifiers. Now these are separated with the help of comma operator. This one, size of operator. This one important one. Size of operator is used to return the number of bytes occupied by the given operand. So for each and every operand, compiler allocates a sufficient amount of memory. If users are interested to know the number of bytes, then we use size of operator. Size of operator is a compile time operator. Now this one, the general format of size of operator. Listen students, compared to previous operators, for each and every operator there is a symbol. But in case of size of operator, there is no any symbol. Here, this operator is used as size of word. There is no space between size and of. Size of, and this one it must be in lowercase characters. Within parentheses, specify the operand. Here, the operand, it may be a variable, constant or any data types. All are valid. Let us consider this program. Now program for size of operator. Header files stdio.h and conio.h. Main function, open brace. Here we declare some variables with different data types, int k, char p, float z, double t, clr, scr function. So we are using primitive data types, int, char, float and double. The first stage, consider this one, variable names. Now we are printing size of k, %d bytes. Now the format size of k. Then variable p size, size of p. variable z size, size of z. Now t variable size, size of t. Now what is the output? Now k is what type of variable? Integer, then 2 bytes. P is a character variable, 1 byte. Z float, 4 bytes. And t double, 8 bytes. Then operand is a data type. Then size of int, size of char, size of float, size of double. Size of int, how many bytes? 2 bytes. Size of char, 1 byte. Size of float, 4 bytes. Size of double, 8 bytes. Now this time constant values. Now size of 100. 100 is an integer constant. So this one 2 bytes. Size of is a character constant. Remember, here we pass a character constant, but it prints the size as 2 bytes. Now small doubt, it is a character constant, why it prints 2 bytes? Listen, whenever a character constant is placed, always its ASCII value should be activated. Now ASCII value is an integer value, hence it prints as 2 bytes. Now size of 23.45 f. This f indicates it is a floating point constant. So float point of view, this one 4 bytes. This one size of 456.678, which is a double value, hence it prints 8 bytes. So this one variable format, data types format, and constant values format. Now implementation part completed. Okay, so this one size of operator. So these 3 operators, unary minus operator is used to change the sign of the given operand. Comma operator is used to separate the operands from one to another. Size of operator is used to return the number of bytes occupied by the given operand. Last category, additional operators. C language allows to combine assignment operator with other existing operators. So with this combination, additional operators will be obtained. So assignment operator means single equivalent symbol. Now this assignment operator is possible to combine with other existing operators such as arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, and so on. So with the combinations, additional operators will be obtained. Here we consider one format, arithmetic assignment operators. Now this one, arithmetic assignment operators are formed with the combination of arithmetic operators and assignment operator. So when arithmetic operators are combined with the assignment operator, then it forms arithmetic assignment operators. Now observe these operators. Arithmetic assignment operators are plus equivalent symbol, minus equivalent, asterisk equivalent, division equivalent, and modulo equivalent. These 5 operators are known as arithmetic assignment operators. The syntax is expression 1 plus equivalent to expression 2. Now it shows the format of arithmetic assignment operator plus equivalent symbol. When this expression arises, which is equivalent to expression 1 is equivalent to expression 1 plus expression 2. That means expression 1, expression 2 are added, and and the resultant value is stored in expression 1. Now this entire format simply referred as expression 1 plus equivalent to expression 2. In the same format, the remaining operators, expression 1 minus equivalent expression 2 is equivalent to expression 1 equal to expression 1 minus expression 2. Expression 1 asterisk equal to expression 2 is equivalent to expression 1 equal to expression 1 into expression 2. Expression 1 by equal to expression 2 is equivalent to expression 1 equal to expression 1 by expression 2. Expression 1 modulo equal to expression 2 is equivalent to expression 1 equal to expression 1 modulo expression 2. So when these formats are placed, now the expressions are evaluated internally in this format. Okay? Now observe these examples. A plus equal to 2 is the internal meaning A equal to A plus 2. A minus equal to 5. Internal meaning A equal to A minus 5. A asterisk equal to 3. Internal meaning A equal to A into 3. A by equal to 2. Internal meaning A equal to A by 2. A modulo equal to 4. Internal meaning A equal to A modulo 4. So as per assignment format, first the right hand side expression is executed and the result value is stored in left hand side variable. This is one example program. First header files stdio.h and conio.h. Main function, left curly brace. Here we declare one integer variable as x. Now CLR SCR. Now first enter x value. Now expressions x plus equal to 6. Now we are printing x value. X minus equal to 2. Now print x value. X asterisk equal to 4. Now print x value. X forward slash equal to 3. Print x value. X modulo equal to 5. Print x value. Now implementation part completed. Now end curly brace. In such a way, assignment operator is possible to combine with other existing operators. I hope all of you understood this concept. So finally students, C language supports different types of operators used for various applications. So we have discussed 9 categories of operators such as assignment operator, arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators, increment and decrement operators, conditional operator, bitwise operators, special operators and additional operators. Okay, so here operators category completed. Okay, thank you one and all.